Even again, guys. So I'm here just installing some solar panel on this rooftop here. Just a quick video. So guys, just removing these ore that we had built from first installation. So we're just gonna put up some new ones. Just a quick video. So guys, just finished removing the ore racks that we built. So now we're gonna measure and install the new ones. So guys, I'm just marked out where I want to install this rack of panel and have it measured and so forth. So I'm gonna put on these brackets now. So I'm just going to use some windscreen sealer to have it sealed so no water can get through the zinc and so forth. There guys, I've installed the brackets and support for the panel. So I'm just gonna install the panels now. So guys, I've installed one row already. See? So I have the next row of two to go there. I'm just connecting the panel. So there is it guys. Finish missing a end bracket for that panel there, but it's all done. So this side of our array is next. So that's the next one we're gonna do and run this pipe better and have all the panel earthed. So until then,